When it comes to choosing your bridal headband, then there are a few things to bear in mind to kind of consider during your selection process. So one of them is the diameter, the width of the headband, whether it is something that will be able to sit sort of on your crown on top of the head, or whether you want it to sit much lower, like a proper headband, like this one here, which has much wider diameter and therefore sits much lower, like a proper headband, sort of framing your head. So that's one tip that I wanted to share with you today. And another thing to consider is so many brides around the world at the moment can't get access to hairdressers. So having a headband that you can easily pop on your head and incorporate into your hairdo is actually such a beautiful DIY tip, do it yourself tip that can be really useful.